Are you ready to start growing food in your own backyard? When most people think about learning to garden, they often feel worried about the time and space it will take to grow a significant amount of produce. But if you grow your garden in raised beds, gardening can be very easy and not take a lot of time or room. My name is Brian from Next Level Gardening. Come take my class at the School of Traditional Skills and you'll be successfully gardening in your own backyard in no time at all. And I bet you'll be surprised about how easy it really is and how much food you can grow in a very small space. In this class, you will learn how to build a simple raised bed, how to start your own plants, how to set up an easy-to-use irrigation system, how to maximize your space to grow more than you ever thought possible, and even how to use companion planting to help you grow super healthy vegetables. By the time you finish this class, you'll have the confidence to grow and harvest basketfuls of super healthy produce right outside your door. Now that is fresh. If you're ready to start gardening in your own yard, then click the link to get started right away.